Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open an account in Western Union, right? So you have to just Google and search Western Union and you will get the first website. You have to just go here, right? So I hope you already know that what Western Union is used for. Of course, it is used to send money around the United States, right? So if you want to create an account, then you have to click on register, right? Right, once you click on register, then it will ask your email address, then you have to create a password. So let's here we will just add our email, right? And here we have to add password. So of course make sure the password should be strong. And once done, you have to create an account. Then we have to verify the code which is sent to our email address. And then we have to click on register. It will just take your few seconds of time just to verify that whatever email address you have entered is correct. Now here you can see that our account is open and it's very easy to do it. So here you can just enter the amount and as well as the receiving account, right? So for example, I want to send money to, let's select a country here, Argentina, right? Then I will select the US dollar, that is 500 US dollar, and the Argentina person to whom we are going to send is going to receive this much money. The exchange rate should be given here. You will read it here that how much we are, how much we are getting paid and how much the Western Union is charging in the fee, which you can just check this out. If you want to send it directly to the bank account, you can do it here. If you want to pay through online, right, so we can just do it through the debit card, credit card, or bank account. It's pretty easy to do it. And this is it, guys. So I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.